Your life feels soft, and you know it. Not peaceful, not balanced, soft. The kind of soft that makes days slip by without progress. You wake up comfortable, scroll comfortably, eat comfortably, sleep comfortably, and wonder why nothing is changing. This is not rest, this is decay. Comfort does not destroy you loudly, it erodes you quietly. It trains your mind to avoid effort, delay pain, and escape challenge. Over time, your brain learns a dangerous rule. If something feels hard, avoid it. If something feels uncomfortable, postpone it. That rule becomes your default. The first sign your mind is weak from comfort is resistance to small effort. Simple tasks feel heavy. Making your bed feels optional. Starting work feels exhausting. You delay things that take minutes, not because they are hard, but because your tolerance for effort is low. Your brain expects ease, not action. The second sign is constant distraction. Silence feels uncomfortable. Stillness feels unbearable. You need noise, videos, music, or notifications just to exist. Comfort trained your mind to seek stimulation instead of focus. The moment effort appears, your attention escapes. This is not a focus problem, it is a comfort addiction. The third sign is emotional overreaction. Small problems feel overwhelming. Minor stress feels personal. You feel irritated, impatient, and easily frustrated. A mind trained in comfort has never learned emotional resistance. When pressure appears, it panics. Strength is not confidence. Strength is calm under discomfort. The fourth sign is endless planning with little action. You think about changing your life more than you act on it. You watch videos, you save ideas, you wait for the perfect moment. Comfort convinces you that preparation equals progress. It does not. Action is the only proof of strength. The fifth sign is fear of boredom. You cannot sit alone with your thoughts. You avoid quiet moments because they reveal uncomfortable truths. Boredom is not the enemy. It is the gateway to clarity. A strong mind can sit still without escaping. A weak one runs. Now here's the contrast most people miss. Comfort feels safe, but it creates fragility. Discomfort feels hard, but it builds resilience. Every time you choose comfort over effort, you shrink your capacity. Every time you choose effort over comfort, you expand it. This is not about becoming extreme. It is about rebuilding tolerance. Strength returns when you do small, hard things daily. Wake up on time. Move your body when you don't feel like it. Sit in silence. Focus without escape. Finish what you start. These actions retrain your brain. Your mind adapts to what you repeatedly expose it to. Feed it comfort, and it demands more. Feed it challenge, and it grows stronger. This is how identity changes, not through motivation, but through repetition. If you do nothing, comfort will keep stealing your future in small pieces. Months will pass, years will blur, and one day you will realize you became exactly what you tolerated. But if you act now, the shift is fast. The moment you stop negotiating with comfort, clarity returns, energy returns, respect for yourself returns. Discomfort is not punishment, it is training. Choose it daily, and your mind becomes unrecognizable. That decision starts now. You were not meant to live an easy life. You were meant to grow into someone stronger than your excuses. The moment you stop protecting your comfort, you start protecting your future. Pain teaches focus. Effort teaches confidence. Consistency teaches identity. Choose the harder path today, not because it feels good, but because it builds the version of you that wins tomorrow. This is where discipline is born, and weakness finally loses its grip forever, when you refuse comfort daily without excuses.